Hello, second grade. Welcome to Science with Miss Conley. This is our second lesson this week in science. Remember, boys and girls, you have 2 lessons of science every week. Today, we are going to be getting ready for caterpillars. We're going to make some observations about caterpillars and their process of the life cycle, and then we're going to draw it. Here are some vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word, and I would like for you to repeat after me. Caterpillar, pupa, larva, metamorphosis, complete metamorphosis, chrysalis. Here are some questions that I want you to think about during our lesson today. What are caterpillars? What do caterpillars look like? Where have you seen caterpillars? What do caterpillars do? I like how these are all W questions. A who, what, when, where, or you could also ask a how. Maybe these are some questions you asked yesterday. Let's watch a video on caterpillars and make observations. On your slide, it's slideshow 15. Go ahead and click on the video and make some observations about how a caterpillar changes through its life cycle. So stop your screencast now and go ahead and click on slide 15. I hope you enjoyed that video. Here are some questions that I want you to think about. What is a chrysalis? What is metamorphosis? How long does it take for a butterfly to go through metamorphosis? Now, if you don't know the answers to these questions, go ahead and watch that video again and see if you can find the answers to these questions. Hopefully you came up with these answers. A chrysalis is a hard outer shell that a caterpillar makes, which indicates the beginning of metamorphosis. A metamorphosis is a change that takes place when a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. And it takes about 16 days for a butterfly to go through metamorphosis. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to draw a picture that shows how caterpillars change during their lives. And Miss Conley is going to go ahead and model that for you. I know that the first stage is a caterpillar. And I know they have these little grooves. The next thing I remember is the chrysalis. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a little branch here because we know that the chrysalis is on a branch in a hard protective shell. After about 16 days, a beautiful butterfly emerges. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and draw a picture of how a caterpillar changes through its life cycle and then post that picture to your Google Classroom. That's your assignment for today. And that concludes our second lesson of science.